Today on Cooking with Kymira, we are making strawberry spuma. Ten egg whites, 32 ounces of strawberries, 2 1/4 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups sugar for the egg whites, 1 1/2 cups sugar for the strawberries. Stir and smash the berries in a saucepan on medium-high heat and let simmer. Pour the strawberries into a strainer. Mash berries against side with spoon, getting all the juice out. This is what it should look like after you strain. Put glass bowl in hot water. Pour sugar into egg whites and stir until it dissolves. Remove from heat and beat eggs until they are firm and foamy. Fold juice into egg. Freeze until frozen. Now it's time to take it out and eat it. Thanks for cooking with Kymira.